Okay. Video's going.
Okay, you'll see the thread pattern. It goes from the needle to this guide to this guide to this is called a take-up lever. It goes up and down. From the take-up lever, you'll see it goes into the check spring. Then from the check spring into the tension disc, out of the tension disc, into this tension disc, to this guide, to the thread.
Okay.
What you might want to do is put a stud in here with a little eyelet to guide this thread to keep it from getting into this.
Okay.
Okay, on the same behalf, we're going to take the bobbin out. Bobbin is here. You got the bobbin latch. You got to have the needle up before the bobbin will come out. There's a bobbin. You can see how much we still got to go.
Oh, still got a bunch on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I'll put the bobbin back, you'll notice this tail right here on the bobbin has to line up
In the slot.
in the slot. And you got to pull the bobbin release for the bobbin to snap back into place.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to wind another bobbin. On bobbins, it's always good to have one in the hole. So you take either you pull the unused thread off, or you start with a new bobbin. The bobbin has a little catch. You want to put that up through the hole. Then as you turn the bobbin, you'll feel a little catch on the drive. You on it? Yes.
Ah.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. There's one. Yep, I got you. So we're gonna put this right through here. Stick the hole. Snap that right on there.
Okay. No, just
Nope.
turn. Did you turn the bobbin till you got the? Yeah, it's on. Okay, now engage the winder. Okay, now I am going to wind the bobbin.
And you can do this with the other bobbin in there?
Yeah. Okay. So now we got a bobbin in the hole ready to go.
Okay.
I don't know how you can keep it from unwinding. All right, come back around here. We're gonna thread it again.
Alright.
Okay, we're gonna take thread off our thread stand.
Make it over here.
We're going into the eyelet around this little guide. We're going to go in between our disc. Our disc is loose because the thread, the foot is up. We're going to go up over the take-up spring and off that little doohickey. Then into the take-up lever. We're going to go through this guide. Then we're going to go through this guide here.
Into the needle.
Then into the eye of the needle. I'm going to put the foot down onto our scrap. It's always nice having a piece like this laying around that you start making your stitch. Then now that you're making a stitch, you know you're good to go.
Okay.
What's a shame is you start on something, you get halfway there and you look back and ain't nothing happened. It's kind of aggravating. Now, when you bring up the foot, you can turn and pull this back to get another start. And put your foot back down. You want to put the foot down to hold the thread. Ta-da!
It's good.